Have you ever found yourself in the middle of an important task, only for your mind to drift off to a grocery list, an email you need to send, or even what you will have for dinner? It is a common experience, but it does not have to be your constant state. Yes, mental boundaries absolutely can improve your focus. They act like invisible fences around your mental energy, helping you direct your attention more effectively and protect your cognitive space from the constant onslaught of distractions. The core mechanism behind this improvement is managing what is called your cognitive load. Imagine your brain as having a limited amount of working memory, like a computer with a certain amount of RAM. Every thought, every task, every distraction competes for that space. Mental boundaries help you consciously decide what gets into that space and what stays out. By creating these internal limits, you reduce mental clutter and free up precious mental resources to dedicate fully to the task at hand. To put this into practice, you can start by identifying your common mental trespassers. Are you constantly thinking about social media notifications, upcoming appointments, or unresolved conflicts? Once identified, set a boundary. For instance, designate specific times for checking email or social media, creating a clear time fence. Another effective technique is the thought parking lot. If an unrelated thought pops up, quickly jot it down in a notebook or digital list, then immediately return to your primary task, knowing you will address that thought later. This simple act acknowledges the thought without letting it derail your focus. Incorporating mental boundaries is a powerful step towards developing better attentional control, which is your ability to direct and sustain focus. This is a skill that strengthens with practice. Consider it a form of proactive mental discipline. By consciously setting these limits, you are not suppressing thoughts but rather training your brain to prioritize and manage its attention more efficiently. This can even extend to creating mental quiet zones, where you intentionally block out internal noise to dedicate fully to deep work or creative thinking. Ultimately, by establishing and maintaining mental boundaries, you are cultivating a more disciplined and resilient mind. This leads to not only improved focus and productivity but also a significant reduction in mental fatigue and stress. You gain a sense of control over your internal landscape, allowing you to engage more deeply with your work and life, and experience a greater sense of calm and accomplishment.